back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting for. Good content coming on the way. Having that said, today I don't really have any plan for today. All I know is that I do want to record, and whatever happens, happens. But we are starting the video with my stepdad driving the car. He's been wanting to learn how to drive the car for a cool while, so I said, why not today? Give you guys some content. After today, we're probably gonna hit some canyons and just get random footage for you guys.
¿Así no le puedo meter la velocidad?
¿Cómo?
Para mirar dónde está la primera.
Tienes que meter clutch, pero si lo sacas, se te va a apagar, ¿ok? No lo saques. ¿Le metes clutch?
No, pero lo puedo apagar para más.
¿Oh, sí? Págalo.
¿Así le puedo sacar meter la velocidad?
Sí, así sí. ¿El clutch?
Primera, no.
Ajá. ¿Tienes el clutch adentro?
Sí.
Tienes que meterlo todo. Ya, todo. O sea, si tienes que moverte para frente, todo. Bajo. Ok. Ahora.
Sí, se me quedó.
A ver. Clutch adentro primero y sácalo despacito. 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 Dale gas también. Saca la clutch despacito. Ahí vas. Ahí vas. Ahí vas. Dale gas. Ahí vas. Como carro regular ahora. Sí, no te pagó. Ok. Y ahora la revolución la miras, ¿verdad?
Ok, ¿la segunda?
Si quieres, sí. So, mete clutch todo hasta abajo y bájalo, Pablo. Ahí está, saca clutch. ¿Está? Ya es todo. My mom got it the first time. My stepdad got it the first time as well. I guess it runs in the family. Ok, so, nomás vas en primera. Eso. Ok, vas a dar la vuelta, vas a meter clutch y mientras da clutch vas a dar frenando. Ahí vas. Frene, mete clutch. Eso. Mete clutch. Okay. Ahí está. So, ahora vas a meterle en reversa. So, mete clutch. Ahí va. So, la vas a dar solito, sacar el clutch porque te va para atrás, ¿ok?
¿Solo solito?
Ajá, pero dale poquito gas también, ahí vas. Ahora mete clutch y pon a neutral. Y luego le pones a primera. Vas a sacar clutch y dale gas. Sí, como si no sabieras, Enrique, ya sabes. Métela en segunda ahora. Y písale para que sientas el carro. No le tengas miedo. Para la tercera. Clutch y 3. Ese mero. He has now stopped once. He did a U-turn. He went in reverse. Then I'll stop. It runs in the family. So we would have made the video longer, but we got a call that we had to go home. But I mean, you guys saw how he drove the car. He didn't do bad. I'd give it like a solid B plus. You know, not just because he's my stepdad, but he actually did good. ¿Cómo sentiste que hiciste?
Que está muy difícil. Están los dos pies. A veces pensaba que lo confundía con el
freno.
El freno.
Yeah, es un poquito complicado, pero mientras lo haces más, es más fácil. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I have no idea what I'm filming today. All I know is that I wanted to film. I enjoy doing this shit. I am in LA Crest, trying to get some nice It was a squirrel. Squirrel. As I was saying, I am in LA, Chris. I did bring the GoPro, so I'm gonna mount them on the car. Hopefully I get some nice shot for you guys. Yeah, it's pretty much a day with nocturnal, you know. No car meets, none of that. No donuts, no sliding. Well, maybe we'll see some cars sliding up there, I don't know. Like I said, today's not planned. All I know is that I wanted to film. I enjoy doing this. Got the pony with us today. I think it'll fix my bumper. I don't know what to go with. What do you guys think? Should I go with a GT500 or a GT350 bumper? Not really sure, because the car is gonna get wrapped eventually. New wheels are gonna come in the way, and I just don't know what to do. What do you guys want to see on the car? I mean, that said, you guys think I should take these off? A lot of people are telling me I should take them off, but I'm debating. I feel like sooner or later I'm gonna end up taking it off though. Alright guys, so the bad thing was that I did not bring the mount for one of the GoPros. So the good GoPro is gonna go on top of the car. Yeah, you guys see it right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. Because if it falls off, that's it. Feels good, you know, coming up here by yourself. No depressing shit, no depressing thing, but I mean, it's not a view, but something. Cars passing by. They're just looking at me like, what is this guy doing? What is this Mexican doing? On the way down, I'll probably use a headband for the inside POV. It's scary. Imagine just falling off this. Jeez. Long gone. I'm gonna keep going up to see what we find. It's fun doing this. I recommend it. Just be careful. I don't want to recommend something you guys getting hurt. I don't know if I should keep going. I don't know if I should keep going or just go back. Like, I've never been around this area. Oh shit. I feel like I gotta get out of here because this is where like people die. See the pony though? I really gotta get out of here. I get a weird vibe from here. There's like tires over there. There's like an abandoned place over there. I feel like I would have gone with someone if I would have came with someone, but I'm not down to go by myself. It's so quiet right here. Literally, I don't even know why I'm whispering. It's just so quiet here that I hear the little in my ears and like the little air blowing through my earrings. I get a weird vibe from here. I gotta get the fuck out of here. So at this point, I'm on the POV, the headband, for you guys. addicting. Downshifting and all that. If you know, you know. I know I'm not the only one that hits canyons like that. Whoa. Whoa, this looks crazy. Man, I'm like addicted to these canyons. What this reminds me of, I think it was during elementary. You guys know that one hill where there's like recording, they're recording, you know, the mountains or whatnot like that, and I don't know where a zombie pops up right here. It reminds me of that. You can hear it purr. Like a